Hi everyone, welcome back to another unboxing with Danny and Jazz.
Hi!
Today we're going to be doing the Zbox. This is our first box with these, so hopefully it's a good one. If you do want to get yourself a Zbox, as usual, the link will be in description. Might also be a discount code in there for you. So let's basically dive straight in. I did see a little spoiler online that there was going to be a Hulk Q-Fig in this one, so which I'm not very happy about, because as you probably all know if you know your unboxing, Hulk Q-Figs were dished out in 2016 by Tshirt, so we'll see how it goes.
T-shirt.
Do the t-shirt first. We always like to do the t-shirt first, don't we? It's a nice white one. I like white. It is Defender.
New York City Defender.
Yeah, there's a new series coming out on Netflix called The Defenders, and I think this is it because like Daredevil, Jessica Jones, Iron Fist.
Oh, yeah, I've seen it.
See, and there's all the stuffs.
Yeah, I was confused.
As you can see, it's like the Iron Fist, there's Daredevil's things that he hits people with.
Yeah.
Can't remember what it's called. But yeah, it's a nice t-shirt, I like that. Next thing, Jazz. It's a nice feel of that as well, and it's a Gildian, so...
A cap.
Gildian.
An Iron Man cap.
An Iron Man cap.
Never heard a cap before.
No, it's a first thing, isn't it? It's actually quite nice, that. It's like a patch on the top. I'm not big into me caps, but you like your caps, don't you?
Yeah.
So, you can have that. And it is an official Captain America Civil War.
So if you're on a team, you're either on Iron Man team or Captain America's team.
I was Captain America. What were you?
Oh, no, I was Captain America, you were Iron Man.
Oh, I might change sides because I like Captain America more now.
Yeah,
There's more merchandise for him.
I say Captain
Right.
America.
Next one. Actually, that's quite nice. That. I like that. I'll put that there so you can see it. Ding, ding, ding.
Oh, this is the cute thing.
Yep. As I said, it's the Hulk Q-Fig, which we've got there. Grab it, Jazz. This is it out of the box. Yeah, Q-Fig. It is a nice Q-Fig, but like I say, I've got it. Already got it, and it is an old item. Yeah, but it will go nice in a Christmas box for someone. Yep. Next item. It's not a bad item, and not a bad box up now really. If you haven't got the Q-Fig. Magazine. The theme was team up. Forgot to tell you. What's this?
Season comics, gadget details.
Decals.
Decals, whatever.
So it's a DC, basically a sticker back to go on your laptops or anywhere you want, phones or anything. So decals on the back shows you the sun's coming out now. Yep, nice one. Next thing, Jazz.
Keychain.
Another keychain. We like keychains, so. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles keychain. It's just a plastic one-sided. Yeah, it's alright. It's nice. Nice little item, filler item.
Never really had a Mutant Ninja Turtle thing.
We haven't, have we?
Mm.
So, yeah, I think that's our first Ninja Turtles thing. We like Ninja Turtles.
Mm.
Anyway, yep. Is that it?
Yep.
Yep, that's it for this month's box. So, overall, if you haven't got the Q-Fig, I thought it was an alright box, because the box is £19.99 delivered, and it's a UK based company. So if you haven't got the Q-Fig, because you're looking at about 7 to 8 quid for the Q-Fig, maybe 5 to 10 quid for the hat, shirt a tenner, so your value is there. I mean, it just matters, it just basically if you like the stuff. I mean, the dark will like this, and yeah, so it's not a bad box. You get the magazine in it, which tells you the team up, and next month's box is retro, which everyone seems to be doing at the moment, which I like, because I like all the retro gear. I'm an 80s child, so yeah, that just basically tells you what's in it, what's in the box.
It said there was Amazing Spider-Man in it, but we didn't really get anything Amazing Spider-Man.
Was there an Amazing Spider-Man something in it? Let me have a look. See if it's...
At the front it has all the different things. Well, I think anyway.
Right, that's... hang on. It's all about Comic-Con, Turtles, there's your Defenders. I love the pop figures. I love the Defender pop figures. They're actually at a decent price as well, $8.99. Yeah.
Next month, Amazing Spider-Man.
You could have got coasters or decals.
We've
if you
already
can
got
see
the
that.
coasters.
And we
so
have.
that was good.
Yep, we have already got the coasters. Spider-Man and Tony Stark. So that'll probably be the thingy, Jazz.
Oh yeah, next one.
The hat.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
So you might have got a Spider-Man one.
Yeah, so basically, that's it. It's not a bad box, like I say. But yeah, what was your favourite item?
I like
And the hat, by the looks of it. You look good in that. Right, yeah, so that's basically the end of the video. If you do, like I say, if you do want to get yourself a box, there'll be a code below. I'll stick a link. I'm sure there's a money off coupon, so you can get your first box with a £5 off, I think. It makes it about £15. But yeah, there was a long delay on this box. It was supposed to come about the 10th, the 15th of this month. But as you know, it's just arrived today, which is the 27th, 28th today. If you give us a like or subscribe, let us know what basically you thought of the box, what you liked, what you didn't like. Just let us know what you thought of past boxes, what you think of the new retro theme for next month. So catch us next time. See you later.
Bye.
Bye.